Hello, Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Ready to power up your Python skills? Today, we are going to discuss the most important, the most effective, and the most revolutionary idea that the world faced in the 21st century, and that was conditional statements, the power that gave computers to decide according to their master's wish. What is that? If and else statements. So, for example, you have instructions to go to the destinations. To go, for example, to a grocery store. Your mom has said to you to bring milk and flour. But she has said, if there is sunset, you have to take the left road. And if it's not sunset, you have to take the right road. Because right road is safe for day and the left road is safe for nights. And you want to automate the instruction your mom has given to you in form of programming. What do? You said if it is sunrise, and then you say print take the left road towards the grocery. But here is a catch. We will probably face a name error if we use this because we have given this a condition is sunrise, but we have not saved a boolean value called is sunrise beforehand. So let's save and make a variable like this. So if it's sunrise, you should take the left road towards grocery. Let's see what happens. Yes, it's sunrise and you have to take the left road. What happens when it is false? It is not sunrise. It is not going to print. You cannot take the left road. But you should do something. There should be a way out if it's not sunrise. So you will instead use the else statement and you will say print if there is else, if it is not sunrise, if sunrise is false, take the right road towards the grocery store. Okay, and that's how, whether it is sunrise or it is not sunrise, you can make decisions based on this condition that your mom has given to you effectively and in a facilitative way without hassling your mind too much. You can give this task to your sincere friend called Python programming. Thank you for this video. We will meet in the next lesson with more advanced functions in conditional loops, in conditional statements, namely if and else, with another friend called else if. Thank you very much.